the opening bidder. So the dealer begins the auction, and the dealer gets the first shot at being the opening bidder. And the auction passes around the table until one of the players opens the bidding. So the example I have on the screen here, North passes, right? So North was the dealer. Let's assume North's the dealer, and they've dealt out the cards if you're in face-to-face. If you're online, the computer deals out the cards for you. So there's not much for the dealer to do in online bridge. But the dealer does get to go first, gets to use the opening bid guidelines that we're going to look at in this lesson first. And if they don't meet any of these guidelines we're looking at, they say pass. And all of those rules pass to East. And East will go through our checklist. We're going to have a checklist today, always have lots of checklists. And East decides if they can open the bidding. And if they can, they open the bidding. And if not, they pass it to South. And it goes around in the clockwise direction until someone uses the bidding. All right, so pass by North. North says, I can't open the bidding based on the checklist that we're going to run through. East says, nope, can't use that. I can't open the bidding. South, how about you? South says, no, how about you? And then West opens the bidding. All right, now we don't have any definition of what any bids mean now. We're going to add those to our opening bid. And then West says one no trump. We're going to define that bid today. And then North says pass, East says pass, and South says pass. Now in lesson 1, we talked about once there are 3 passes, the auction period closes and the last bid denomination becomes the contract. Okay, in this case, it would be one no trump, meaning no trump game has been called. High card takes the trick. There are no trump suits. And the number in the contract tells us how many tricks the declaring side, rather, right? We're in a partnership game. The declaring side has to take. And it's always 6 tricks in the book plus the contract number. So in one no trump, it's 6 plus 1 is 7. So the declaring side would need 7 tricks to go plus in the scoring.